Mixus AI is one of the most exciting and powerful AI software tools that just dropped. And if you're curious about how it can boost your productivity, efficiency, and even creativity, stick around. I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about Mixus AI, and by the end, you'll have a solid understanding of whether it's the right tool for you. Plus, stay tuned because I'm going to share how you can try this software completely free with the link below. First, let's talk about what Mixus AI actually is. It's an all-in-one AI platform designed to optimize business operations, from automating mundane tasks to enhancing decision-making processes. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketer, this tool has something for everyone. But what really sets Mixus apart from the competition is its unique blend of intuitive user interface and robust AI capabilities. Now, let's get into the specifics. The first thing you'll notice is the speed of this software. Mixus AI's processing power is lightning fast, which means you can get more done in less time. That's a huge win for anyone who needs efficiency but doesn't want to sacrifice quality. It uses advanced machine learning algorithms that help automate everything from customer engagement to data analysis, saving you countless hours that would otherwise be spent on repetitive tasks. Another powerful feature is Mixus AI's ability to integrate with your existing software. Whether you're using CRMs, email marketing platforms, or project management tools, Mixus integrates seamlessly with all of them. This makes it a perfect tool for businesses that are already running on a specific tech stack but want to enhance their operations with AI without completely overhauling everything. Mixus AI's customization options are also worth mentioning. Unlike many other tools that come with rigid templates, Mixus allows you to customize its features to suit your specific needs. This level of flexibility is invaluable, especially when you're looking for a solution that can grow with your business. You can adjust settings, workflows, and processes to ensure that Mixus works for you, not the other way around. Then there's the real-time data analysis feature. Mixus AI doesn't just collect data, it provides actionable insights in real time. This is crucial for making quick, informed decisions that can drive business growth. Instead of waiting for reports at the end of the week or month, Mixus helps you make data-driven decisions on the spot, giving you a competitive edge. One of the most impressive things about Mixus AI is how easy it is to get started. You don't need to be a tech expert to make the most of this software. It's designed with simplicity in mind, so even if you're new to AI, you can start using it right away without feeling overwhelmed. There's also a ton of support available, including tutorials, community forums, and dedicated customer service. Another reason Mixus AI is gaining so much attention is its scalability. Whether you're a solopreneur or part of a large enterprise, Mixus can grow with you. It's built to handle everything from a small set of tasks to massive workflows across an entire organization, which means you won't outgrow it anytime soon. Lastly, Mixus AI is offering a completely free trial right now, and you can check it out by clicking the link in the description below. This is a great opportunity to dive in and explore all of its features without committing to anything upfront. It's one of the best ways to see if this software will truly add value to your business before you make any financial investment. To wrap it up, Mixus AI is not just another AI software, it's a game changer. With its speed, ease of use, integration capabilities, and scalability, it's one of the most versatile tools out there for digital marketers, business owners, and anyone looking to automate their processes. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and Mixus is one I highly recommend. If you're interested, I've left some of my recommended AI software options in the description below, so be sure to check them out and start boosting your productivity today.